Beyond knowing how to design, you need to also learn how to make money. Yes, there's a difference between having a skill and knowing how to make money. Hi, my name is Sylvester Olawale. I've been a product designer and a no-code developer for over 7 years. I want to show you a few ways that you can make money as a UI UX designer or as a product designer. First of all, I need to show you the high income skills that a product designer or a UI UX designer is meant to have. Now, this is not to say you need to have all of these skills, but then if you can have these skills, trust me, there's no reason why you're not making money. Just to run through, these are the high income skills that you're supposed to have as a product designer. UI UX design for apps and websites. This is basically what everyone in the field does, design the look for websites and they design the look for mobile application. Number two, it is design system and component libraries. If you know how to design system or come up with component libraries, they are work for you. For example, you can work as a design system engineer, or you can be employed, you can be asked to repair, and you can even create design systems and put on platforms where you can sell. I'm coming back into this. UX research and usability testing. Trust me, there are organizations, there are companies looking for people to just supervise that part of their product. You can offer your service, write them up, or this product, I've gone through this product, I've done this, but I can help you conduct user testing to know what your users are saying. I can conduct research into your target audience to see what they are doing. Trust me, a lot of companies, a lot of product-led companies will start looking out for that. Then you can also volunteer for companies to help them do research on certain areas in their products. Now, you don't have to be employed. You don't have to be given a contract. No, you can propose, you can write a proposal, or I want to help conduct this, to do this, so that there has to be a goal for it. So if you're able to present your work, if you're able to present what you're going to do for the company properly, trust me, you are going to get that gig. Then motion design and prototyping. Motion design has become so blown up now, such that companies are looking out for people who have the skills. Another skill is no code development, and that is the use of content management systems like WordPress, like Framer, like Wix Studio, like Webflow, to actualize your design. Now, it doesn't have to be your own design, but if it's your own design too, it is good. Now, this is a skill as a product designer that people really earn money from. So you have quite a number of skills. You have quite a number of skills that can even stand alone. So there's no reason why you're not making money as you ought to. That is why you need to learn how to make money with your skills. I know that you want to be employed and then collect a big salary and all of that, but you can do all of these things separately. Now, how do you monetize these skills? Right? I've mentioned this in some other place, but how do you monetize your skills? Number one, freelancing and consulting. How do you do this? You can use platforms like Upwork, like Fiverr, like TopTal, or even Direct Reach. And that is what I've been talking about. Sometimes these platforms might be too tailored down to a certain way, can be too, strict, such that you are not able to express yourself the one you want to express yourself. But then a direct reach in a unique way can help you gain a freelance gig or even a consulting gig as well. So it doesn't have to be design on Figma, design on this alone for you to earn money. You can earn money by consulting as well. And if you're going to be using this freelancing and consulting, then that means that you have to position yourself as an expert. You cannot portray yourself as someone who does not know what he's doing. You need to position yourself as and experts. Number 2 is digital product and passive income. And this involves selling UI kits, selling template, design system. There are platforms that are available for that. You have the Figma community, you have Gumroad, platforms where you can sell these things, and that is a passive income for you as a designer. So I'm not saying you shouldn't apply for jobs. I'm not saying you shouldn't, try to, position yourself as a professional so that you can gain promotions at work. But I'm saying that sometimes you might not really know how to monetize your skills. You can even write paid newsletters or ebooks, creating Notion templates or US case study templates. You can prepare a UX case study template and then sell. Number 3, education and content creation. There are quite a number of ed techs. Some of them are even looking for design instructors. Some want people who can even train virtually or physically. So you don't have to be hired. Yeah, there's just like in every other field, you can either go to the industry or stay in education. So you don't have to neglect education. EdTech still pays well. EdTech still pays well. So you can decide to teach your skills for money. Now, do you have to be employed to do this? Not necessarily. If you want to seek an employment for that, that is fine. There are companies looking for UX, instructors, right? But then you can start a YouTube channel, you can start a blog where you teach, right? Where you teach people, you can sell your courses, you can decide to make it free, and then later monetize. These ways you can make money. You can sell online courses on Udemy, on Teachable. Then you can even be made a mentor on ADP list or some other platforms that need people to mentor junior designers. These are ways you can also get money as a product designer. Mentorship and coaching. Number 4, building and selling products. You can decide to carry out a UX research on a particular product you feel it's needed. You can build that product and then sell. For example, you can create SaaS products and then sell. You can co-found a startup as a product designer. Then you can design or even sell NFT products as a product designer. You can also sell Web3 assets. Now, having mentioned quite a number of ways in which you can make money as a UI UX designer or as a product designer, which method interests you the most? Can you put in the comment section? Maybe I can decide to talk more on that method. Okay, what if you're not even a product designer, but you want to learn product design so that you can start earning? All right, now look out for my Back to Basics series on this YouTube channel. It is starting this week. You can turn up your notification, subscribe to this channel so that when I drop videos, you get these videos. Now, these videos are going to be so beginner friendly that you don't even need to know anything before you get started. All right, so you can become a product designer and then you can start using that skill and earn a lot of money. Thank you so much for listening through. I hope that this has helped you as a product designer.